Welcome to our channel. If your Westinghouse TV remote isn't working as it should, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the batteries. Start by checking the batteries in your remote control. Make sure they are installed correctly and are not drained. Replace the batteries with new ones to ensure proper power supply. Step 2. Clean the remote. Sometimes dirt and debris can interfere with the remote's functionality. Use a soft, damp cloth to clean the remote, focusing on the buttons and the battery compartment. Step 3. Reset the remote. To reset your remote, remove the batteries and press each button for at least 5 seconds. After that, reinstall the batteries and test the remote again. Step 4. Check for obstructions. Ensure that there are no obstructions blocking the remote's signal to the TV. Clear away any objects that may be in the way. Step 5. Pair the remote with the TV. If you haven't already, you may need to pair your remote with your Westinghouse TV. Follow the instructions in your TV's manual on how to pair the remote. Step 6. Test the TV's IR sensor. Make sure that the infrared IR sensor on the TV is clean and not blocked. You can test the sensor using a smartphone camera. Point the remote at the camera and press any button. If you see a light on the camera screen, the remote is working. Step 7. Try using a universal remote. If your Westinghouse remote is still unresponsive, consider using a universal remote. Follow the instructions to program it to work with your TV. Step 8. Factory reset the TV. If none of the above steps work, it might be worth doing a factory reset on your TV. Check your TV manual for the specific steps to reset your model. Now that you have these troubleshooting steps, you can hopefully resolve the issues with your Westinghouse TV remote. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.